Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or Google Chrome on OPPO Reno8 Lite. So in order to fix this, first let's open Google Play Store and let's try downloading any of the apps or games. Here's Diablo Immortal, and as you can see, after pressing on it something went wrong and we can't download it. Now let's try Google Chrome. Here we'll need to accept to everything like this, and there's a Google website opened, and as you can see there's a problem as well. Now let's move to the settings. In order to fix this, we'll need to scroll down, move to the system settings, date and time, and here select set time automatically. Now if we go back to the Google Play Store, we can see that our game is visible now. Let's try that like this and then install it. It should start downloading in any moment right now. Yep, it does. And the same is with Google Chrome. Let's reload that same page, and also there's no problem. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.